Bella going for the bowl with the fruit salad. Crawling. Look at her. She's crawling. She's crawling. Yes. Show me a little more. I will. Go get it, Bella.
It doesn't do any good. She'll just stop.
Let's see, she'll go. I'll give her some. Crawl, Bella. Crawl. Oh, Greg, look. Crawl. Crawl, Bella. Bella.
See, now she doesn't even, it's learned helplessness.
No, I'll give it to her. Hey, Bella. Hi. You get some more fruit salad here. Is it yummy? Yes? Is it good? Are you gonna crawl a little more for the salad? Oh my gosh, there's like sweetened condensed milk. Go for it, Bella. And she loves it. She wants some more. Look at her crawling. Look at her. Oh, Greg, look up in her body.
Wow, she's lifting up on her knees.
See, she got the controller, but look, now she wants the bowl. Look at that. Look at the determination, Greg. Look at that. Bella. Oh my gosh.
That's that Portuguese right there.
Hey, Bella. Bella. Say, I got it, Mommy. I got it. Oh, yes, delicious. Here's some pineapple. Hey, coconut. Bella. Is it good? Bella? Bella. Bell, Bell. Is it good? She loves it. Is it good, Bell? It's too big.
Yeah.
Don't swallow that. Okay. Bye.